First, access the taillight assembly. Open the trunk of your 2009 to 2013 Kia Soul. Locate and fold back the trunk liner on the side where you're replacing the bulb. You'll see two 10mm bolts securing the taillight assembly. Remove these bolts using a socket wrench. Be careful, one bolt may be hidden. After removing the bolts, gently wiggle the taillight assembly to release it from the plastic retaining clip. Disconnect the wiring harness connected to the taillight. Now that the assembly is free, twist the bulb socket counterclockwise to remove it from the taillight housing. This gives you access to the brake reverse light bulb. Identify the correct replacement bulb for your Kia Soul's trim level. The brake and reverse lights use either a 7440 or 7443 bulb. Pull the old bulb straight out of the socket. Insert the new bulb, ensuring it's firmly seated. LED replacements offer longer life and energy savings, but some may require load resistors to prevent hyperflashing. Reinstall the bulb socket into the taillight housing by twisting it clockwise until it locks. Reconnect the wiring harness to the taillight assembly. Align the taillight assembly with the vehicle body and push it into place. Ensure the plastic retaining clip secures it. Reinstall the two 10mm bolts, tightening them snugly. Fold the trunk liner back into its original position. Test the brake and reverse lights to ensure they function correctly before closing the trunk. For LED replacements, monitor for error codes and use load resistors if needed. OEM bulbs are recommended for safety and compatibility.